We're excited to attend the Malaysia Exhibition this May. Come meet us at booth 2323, May 20th to 23rd, 20 to 6. We showcase premium solid carbide milling cutters and drills for precision machining. Let's discuss your tooling needs and explore cooperation together. See you in Malaysia.